What's going on? Welcome back. Ryan here. In this video, we're talking about paper trading. I got my desktop loaded up. I got Thinkorswim loaded. And the reason why I want to talk about paper trading is just how beneficial it can be to set you up for success when you start to trade and invest. Because remember, trading is kind of like an art, but it's also like a skill, and there's some math, and you got to be able to understand technology, right? Because we're using this software, and remember, these markets are, they're driven by fear and greed, and we have to anticipate our emotional response to these situations, right? So the reason why I say paper trading is so important, because think about a scenario where a beginner trader could put a trade on, and maybe they haven't taken the time to paper trade, and now the market moves against them adversely. Maybe they're using spreads, maybe there's assignment risk, and because of the negative emotional response to a losing scenario, beginners can get into trouble. And until you understand not only how to enter and exit positions, but you understand your emotional response, it's just so much easier to paper trade, right? To use the simulation to get comfortable, to enter and exit positions, right? And it doesn't matter if you're a pro or you're a beginner. It's always wise when you're opening a new account with a new broker or whatever it is that you're doing to mess with the simulation before you load the account with real money and start doing trades, right? So, whenever I try a new platform or whatever it is, I'm always messing with the simulation before I actually do real trades. And I know it's not glamorous. I know that everybody wants to jump in and make money quickly, but I can assure you that the better you know your broker and your software, the better you will be at, negotiating and managing and interacting with these markets, and the more success you will have. Okay, so in this next video, we are going to talk about real money trading. All right, see you in the next video.